What is it doing? I just painted my wall, ne? Waiting for it to dry, but I want to put this on the wall. So there's these numbers. I'm trying to take them off. I think they are both like based. I don't know. So I'm gonna be taking that and putting it on the floor. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Ooh. You can actually see that here it's dry. There it's not. I'm still gonna put something here, but I haven't decided if it's gonna be tile or wood or is this a 6 or a 9? I think it's a 9. And this one, 6 or a 9, let's see. It's basically the same thing. I think that's it. All done. Let's get the other one. Three. And then we have 2. Then we have 1. We have 4. 3 is a 7. We're missing a 7, 8, and 10. Not with nothing. Not there with me. Not with my mind. No stick. You and your little friends will stick on this wall. Think you're smart? Think you're smart enough? Let's see. Fall. Try me. Now that I didn't remove the thing. Alright, 9. I'm not winning. I'm not winning. Looks like I'm on my own. So, what? Pray with me. I'm praying. They don't show how you would, I don't know. They don't show, that's the thing. But I think you start, is it? But I think you start with this one. But why does it end here? Why doesn't it go? Because now it's wobbly. Ish. Okay. Try it. Oh. Oh. It's working. Okay. I won. And then the second piece, I just have to push it gently. Gently in. That's it. Okay. Okay. Oh, guys. Oh, I was so scared. And then you push this in. You just push it in. Because there's already like a pin thing inside. But why is it moving together? Why is it moving together? And it's bent. Is it? Oh, I think this one is bent. Let's see. This one is bent here. Oh, good. It shouldn't. It shouldn't overlap. Something is off. Guys, look what I did. I bent it. I bent it. Let's see if everything is gonna be moving. Okay. I don't know about you, but I think I am happy. I think I'm happy. Okay, what's the time? The time is 11:10. So the time is 11:10. Time is 11:10. I don't know about you, but I think I'm happy. Let's come closer. I'm waiting for this one to fall, but it looks like it's not falling because I didn't remove the paper thingy. I'm gonna check again later if this is still fine. Yes, I'm not sure how much this was because when I looked on the app, I couldn't find it. Let me check the box that it came in. Where's the box? This is the box. There's nothing else here. So if you can see my room, I was painting. Yeah, this is a second coat. This side is dry. I did the second coat yesterday. Yeah, and then this one I just did the second coat together with I did the second coat. You can tell that I was the one doing the painting because you see there between this. Yeah, I'm still gonna change the paint here. I think it's gonna be white or light gray, because I already have a white wardrobe. And I'm gonna clean there. Wait, I want to show you there. You see, you can tell that I'm short, so I'm gonna buy a step. This is my ceiling. I need to clean. You see the webs and then done. Yeah, still gonna do that. And what else do I have? I have this. I'm gonna be using this for the ceiling. Spray paint. I don't know how, but yeah, this side is very unorganized, because everything that I haven't picked, I put it in here. And then as you can see here, I'm going to do a different color. I'm still deciding on the color. I'm waiting for the dough to dry. Then, yeah, because they were doing the tiles, and then they had to take out the dough, yada yada, and all that. So you see, even down there, we are still busy here. I could go and buy another paint today and paint, but guys, there's a lot that I need to do. I need to also study. But anyways, I did my watch thingy. Yes. What color should I put on this side? Because I want to put a different color. I still have the paint that I used. It's this one. What is this color? Royal Tuscany. I can't read that. I'm sorry. But this is the paint that I used. Yeah. I'm asking myself, why didn't I wait for it to dry? It's because I'm feeling anxious and I want to do something. Yeah. And I've got a lot to do, like other things to do, but mentally, this is what my brain told me to do. Okay, and then, I must put my family photo there. Let me actually go and get it outside. You know, I have my window open just for the wind. I'm coming, you guys. I'm still gonna paint the doors. Like, I don't understand why would they. Oh, the doors, guys. I think I'll keep the white. The doors are very dirty. I'll keep the white. What did I want to say? I'm fetching my photo frame thingy. Guess what? Here it is. I'm gonna put it over here. That's it. And then the mirror, let me put the mirror like this. But I wanted to, like, when I come in and I stand here, I see myself. So let me. Yes, that works. I don't know if you can see. That works. Perfect. So, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna be doing some soap cutting. I'll be using this thing that's cheap looking. Apparently this is for hanging. But what else did I want to show you? Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you are not subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button. Yes, thank you very much. Peace. I know I had already said bye, but as I was cleaning up and about to throw the paper thingies out, the Lord whispered to me. He said, "You dummy, don't throw these out. Like, how are you going to be able to see? What? 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. And look, you guys. Really, like, he whispered, and I know it's the Lord because he always does that. We're like besties. We always have conversations together. So he was like, "Hey, dummy, don't throw those away." Thank you, Lord. Praise Jesus.